Hello students, now we will start question number 8 from exercise 8.2. Question is, out of 15,000 voters in a constituency, 60% voted. Find the percentage of voters who did not vote. Can you now find how many actually did not vote? So in this question, what we have to do, in a constituency 50%, 15,000 voters are there. So 15,000 total voters are there. From that 60% voted. Now we have to find out how many percentage of not vote, and from that how many actually people, number of peoples who didn't vote. So for that what we will do, so very simple sum is this. Many students are seeing this particular question, they are be like, what, how can I solve this question? So to solve this question you need to apply the same method which you applied in the previous questions. So see these questions very carefully. Total 15,000 voters are there, and that is 60% voters have voted. So that means this 15% is what? This is 100%. So we can say that overall voter can be 100% because one quantity can be overall 100%. So from that 100%, 60% people have voted. So we have to find how many percentage of people did not vote. So as we done in previous sum, what we will do, from this total percentage of voter 100%, we will subtract how many percentage of people voted. So from that, whatever our answer, that will be our answer in the percentage that percentage of people who didn't vote. And using that particular percentage we can find how many of people didn't vote. So for that, here we are seeing the example, so you will understand very better. So for that, here firstly we will write that percentage of voter who voted is 60%. Percentage of voter who did not vote, to find that, as I told you that the total 100% voter is there. From that 60% of voters have voted. So if I will subtract that 60%, so remaining answer will be the number of people or number of voters in percentage that didn't voted. So for them 100% minus 60%. So if I will do 100% minus 60%, that will remain 40%. So this 40% vote shows, this 40% shows that 40% of voters did not vote. Now what we have to find? Now we have to find how many numbers of voters did not vote it. So for that what we will do, now we know the number of voters who did not vote, and we know the total number of voters, which is 15,000. So using that, as we done the questions in our question number 4 in exercise 8.4, same method we have to apply. So here first I can write that the total number of voters, the total number of voters are how much? 15,000. So from that 40% didn't vote. So to find the number of voters who did not vote, for that here we'll find the, first we can write that 40% of 50,000. So overall quantities, sorry, overall voters are how much? 50,000. So from 50,000, 40% didn't vote it. So for that, here I will do 40 upon, sorry, 100 to remove this percentage, multiply by 15,000. So these two zeros will be cancelled. So 40, 150 multiplied by 4. So we all know 15 fours are 60. And these two zeros are there. So I will put these two zeros. That means 6,000 voters did not vote. So again I am repeating this thing. Total number of voters were 15,000. From that 40% didn't vote. So if I can say you the question that what is the 40% of 50,000. So here we have to do the same thing. 40% of 50,000 voters did not vote. So here I will find, and my answer will be 6,000. So at last we can write that thus 6,000, sorry, 6,000, not 60,000, 6,000 voters did not vote. So this is how we have to solve this type of questions. Here we are completing this one. If you are having any query or doubt regarding this, you may ask me in comment section. Thank you.